Welcome everybody to day 12. Can you believe we're already halfway there? So that means you only have to see me for 12 more days. But that's okay, because we're going to be answering some more questions and we're going to give away some more prizes. Which brings me to yesterday's question. What was it that our Greco found they implemented the most with ARPEDIO? And that was with their health score. They were able to manage their accounts, and we can help you too. Which then brings me another thought. It's been a while since we've had a knock knock joke, so I think it's time. So knock knock.
Who's there?
Holly.
Holly who?
Holly up and close me some deals, Max. We've got ARPEDIO to sell. Which now brings me to today's question, which is, how can ARPEDIO help create a common language amongst sellers? Good luck. See you tomorrow.